Ever struggle with bleeding gums and bad breath during important meetings or dates? I used to feel so self-conscious, avoiding close conversations altogether. One day I stumbled upon Dentitox Pro while scrolling through wellness blogs. Its natural, non-GMO formula instantly caught my attention. No toxins, no risks. The easy-to-use dropper made it super convenient for my daily routine. Within weeks, my gums felt stronger and my breath stayed fresh all day. Knowing it's made in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility gave me confidence. The eco-friendly herbal ingredients aligned perfectly with my health-conscious lifestyle. Dentitox Pro transformed my oral hygiene. No more awkward moments or discomfort. Imagine healthier teeth and gums without harmful chemicals. Sounds amazing, right? Why wait? Grab Dentitox Pro today and smile with confidence tomorrow. Click the Buy Now button and enjoy the money-back guarantee risk-free.